Hi. So question 8 is our first written communication question. That being said, it has these 2 extra marks here for OCW, which is organization, communication, and writing. So that essentially means you're expected to put all your units in throughout your work, and you are expected to structure your argument coherently. Okay, so in a game, the numbers shown by the 2 pointers are added together. In the diagram, the score gained would be 2 plus 3 being 5. So in spinner A, this person is getting 2, and in spinner B, this person is getting 3. So how many winning scores would you expect when the game is played 60 times? You must show all your working. Okay, so spinner A, you can get 1 through 3, and spinner B, you can get 1 through 4. So what we're going to do here is construct a sample space. So spinner A, spinner B. So the options for spinner A are 1, 2, and 3. And the options for spinner B are 1, 2, 3, and 4. So the usefulness of sample space diagrams is that it can seem like quite a daunting task to kind of draw out every possible outcome, but they actually make it quite straightforward to do, granted that you know the rule that's being used. So in the game, the 2 pointers are added together. The 2 scores get added together. So 1 and 1 would give you 2, 1 and 2 would give you 3, 3 and 1 would give you 4, and so on. So if I just fill in this diagram, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, and 7. So now a winning score is 6 or more. So we just look at the probability that I get a winning score. So there are 12 outcomes total, so it is out of 12. And the probability of getting a win is 1, 2, 3. It is 3 out of 12. And then because this is a quality of written communication question, I need to make sure I'm labeling what I'm getting. So this is a probability of a win. 3 over 12. So that's the same as a quarter. So the chance of winning is a quarter, is 25%. Okay, so now we answer the question, how many winning scores would you expect when a game is played 60 times? So as I've just said, it's a quarter so the probability you win is a quarter of the time. So if you play 60 times, you'll win a quarter of the time, which is 15. But let's do it formally. The way we would do this in practice is 60 times by 3 over 12, and we would do this as a fraction of an amount. So to do fraction of an amount, you divide by the denominator and then times by the numerator. So doing this like so, this would be 60, and then it is divided by the numerator, which is 5, and then we put that back in, and it is times by the numerator, so it is 15. So we now conclude since probability of a win equals a quarter, playing 60 times yields 15 wins, and that would do.